Hi, Vanessa here, a project manager working from home. How do you achieve your work goals with flexibility? First, set clear boundaries to ensure productivity. Establish boundaries for work and family time. Clearly communicate your work hours to your family so they know when you need to focus and when you are available. Second, utilize technology to stay organized. Leverage tools like Google Calendar, Trello, and Slack to coordinate tasks, set reminders, and keep track of deadlines. These tools help you stay connected and ensure you meet your work goals even with a flexible schedule. Third, establish a routine to provide structure. While flexibility is key, having a routine can help balance work responsibilities with family needs. Develop a daily or weekly routine that includes regular morning check ins, dedicated work hours, and scheduled family time. Remember, achieving work goals with flexibility is possible. Set boundaries, utilize technology, and establish a routine to find the balance that works for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and follow for more tips on working from home. Bye!